Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Does someone in your house have acne? In our house, personally, it's me that has it more than anyone else. And these pimple patches by Havenique have been such a nice thing to have around whenever I get a nice little juicy pimple on my face. They're hydrocolloid patches. So when you put them on, they kind of pull out all that nasty stuff in your pimples. Plus, who wants a nasty, juicy pimple on their face? This will help with that. Another really nice thing about this is I am a pimple picker, and these help me not pick at my pimples. They really do blend in well. I wear them out all the time and I don't think about it. They also stay on really well. Make sure you clean your face first, and these will definitely stay on the 4 to 8 hours that it suggests. I like that it comes in different sizes, so depending on what kind of pimple you got going on. It is a huge pack, but you don't have to worry about them getting ruined or dried out because each sheet comes individually wrapped. So if you are looking to get some of that juiciness sucked out of your pimple, well, you're not doing anything and you're not picking at your face and it's keeping the inside of the pimple clean, I highly recommend these pimple patches. But that's just my point of view.